Hi everyone, you've just joined me on my walk to school today. I'm not sure where the sunshine is. It looks like it might rain and I haven't got an umbrella. Usually when it looks like it's going to rain, I end up jumping in the car. But today I thought I'd be healthy and I've been trying hard to make sure that I walk everywhere. I've not really used my car for ages. So let's do our assembly today about being healthy. Notice that I'm slightly out of breath, and that's just the right way to be when you're walking. It shows that your heart's pumping the blood around your body. Either that or I'm really unfit. So here I am at work, and I've been working hard staring at this computer screen for quite a long time. So it's really important, if we're going to be healthy, that we make sure we take a break. So I did think I might get myself another cup of tea, but actually, tea's okay for you, but actually I think what I probably should do is drink some water, because making sure we drink enough water is really important. And I bring this bottle to school with me every day, and many children will know that I'm not very good at drinking from it. So I'm going to make sure I finish that before the end of the day. So I've been thinking about all of the different ways that we can be healthy. So walking, and rather than using the car, is a really great idea, isn't it? We can get those footsteps up. Some people have a special watch that counts how many footsteps they do in a day. There are lots of different ways that we can be healthy. And it's not just about exercise, and it isn't just about what we eat. There are lots of ways to improve our health. So I wondered if I was able to create a whole alphabet of healthy things. I've written it down. And I'm a bit disappointed with my performance, to be honest with you. I even had to use Google for some of it. I wonder if you could do a better job. I'll show you how I've started. So I've written the alphabet down the page with a thick pen. And then I've started to add some things. So, for example, this is so obvious. For I've got apples. Can you think of something better than apples as a healthy food or a healthy activity that you could do? And then I've got bananas. That's really easy as well, isn't it? I wonder if you could think of something different. I've gone all the way down. I got to I got to D, and couldn't think of anything. And then I remembered that there's a dried fruit that you can eat called a date. I do actually really like dates. So I put dates. And then I remembered my main thing that I have to do. I'm supposed to be drinking water. And that begins with a D sound. I wonder, can you work your way through the whole alphabet and think of something for every single letter, including Z? I've got some friends and some people you might know to help me with some ideas on healthy activities too. I wonder if you can spot them. Getting better. So have a go at your healthy alphabets. Let me know how it goes, and let's all remember to carry on reaching for the stars. See you soon.